Yes, omancho muligererio Gusii Voice neri tukolineriana nengo koletera a channel yage nya the Gusii Voice. Eneri ogiro mu Gusii kurwa senseme ya Gusii. Kero nkwana gorerio ogiro mu Gusii inside kero kuligererio channel ye kurwa the Gusii Voice. Gusii Voice neri ogiro mu Gusii kurwa senseme ya Gusii. In fact, let me tell you something. Twara kodre amangana ega a YouTube for a long time. Abange baligere tokora Inka TV, bande baligere tokora chi radio au amangana mbangi kabisa to bere tokoletera emigano au yo mu Gusii ase a channel yechiga. Mwako yiga o 2025 tubwate ibintu tukokoletera omwako yekiya kigimanande yinga nyatinga ayo muligererio bere ko to support imyake menge batoiki 170k subscribers since moye Inka TV. Elinga kichingiana nto koletere channel yende kwa the Gusii Voice. Gusii Voice ne channel to focus amangana mangi kabisa. In fact tunabona iga tuchikolegerera amangana ya afya. Obo chenu bwo mu Gusii tuligerera binte binge about mental health, drug abuse, family abuse, stress, depression. Bintu byonse pipi gudina amangana obo chenu gosipi gudina afya byonse nto beto kubirigereria se the Gusii Voice. Ndo kinigia kabira nto tukolegerera industry iti yo mu Gusii about amangana muziki, talent, movies, comedy ne bintu binde binkima asensemo ye industry ke gima. Bana ba minto abantu ngakora bali haso, abantu ngakora bali chigasi au kazi ni kazi abantu ngakora. How good are you in what you're doing? How good are you at your work? How good are you in everything that you want to do? Asemeremelia ogochi okoro mwako. How good are you on that? You know, that's the question we are asking ourselves about. So let's be doing something hard work on our new YouTube channel area manganabe amaya kegima. Ndachikolegerera mangana echikanisa. Especially the church. The church has had a lot of things. Even though we are very big okole kana chikanisa au religion yegenteke kurukunga edini chikechi yabere chiko abantu abange batigire kanisa abantu abange babere bakora ibinte binge. So we be looking about all these things as a channel yetu ya the Gusii Voice erengi engeni kabisa itawatangana lyo mu Gusii kegima. Abana bitu ba diaspora babere bago support ya samat kamangi tobere tokore megano kwanyora abana bitu baisikono bago to support senchire mo se yende, and we have to appreciate that. One on tuchikokora emrebo ya diaspora stories tuchikolegereringa abantu na baitu bamete chinsemo au Marekani, bamete Australia, bamete New York, bamete everywhere, Saudi Arabia, Gulf countries, chonsi tuchikolegereringa mwako iga. How good are you at your work? What do you do there? Inki ekigamo wate kigani chinsemo chiri motorese aso mwako yo kigima tuchikolegereringa megano bwate human interest stories. Abantu bari babwate megano my friend. Abantu abantu bakorera ibinte binge, abantu barure ale. Yani muntu akorese story ya kurusalenge pakabona saikirenga kiete. Muntu akorese kurua chagete pakabona gasali chinga kiechige cyabone. We need to know those stories. Echina chi story tukuchi kukwandira somo ese channel ya the Gusii Voice. What I will ask you ayakwabere ko gutubwati asamat kamangi. A link here inside. Subscribe se link here inside. Ekra kwa subscribe link here no to achinguru ase channel itenya ekro ku the Gusii Voice. Okorego by the way utakomment yangu tode ko ruchinse mocha story nyamira togende chinse mochi akisi to ko chinse mochi South Mogrango, West Mogrango togende nyalibali chachi nyalibali Masaba kitutu chachi kitutu Masaba bu machoge chachi bu machoge ba chonsi baba si chiko constituency chonsi Gusiengi Makisi na Nyamira gato akore story chonsi ipi etoleto mu Gusiamo nabone ningiwete ko kikonyo wako nababunge usina barayi bonse bakora usiba tanga amu Gusii chamo bone mu Gusii kitoko chamo nyanto chamo wedra se eliogire mu Gusii ye channel yenyi kurukanga the Gusii Voice tobere tokolegerera binte binge bito chukwanda ntoligereria aba chief aba sub chief ntoligereria barayi toite chibinyoro imetora imbinto kibirio tagete kumanya milio tokoletere mugano yigasenchira erengia useyende kegima ibwati amange. By the way genda kanengo sabangeringa subscribe ngase channel yiga yito gara wa subscribe resa channel yito nige konya koba ekia kegima enige ntibiko bebia tokoletere mugano yiga asenchira ne and to expand na to explore kabisa nelia mangana koba maronge in a very wise way. Chenkuru ko Brian McKnight director yanige ko Jeff igabon nero bwate binte biga igo to chiandale ekarongo kwaligania somo akoiga elitogende twensiamo link yerensa iganero gutumia subscribe elitumanye gokorega si enene kegima asoro ngoro Gusii. We will do a political stories ntoligereri kisi count toligereri Nyamira mu Gusii bwensi pia se channel yo mu Gusii ko the Gusii Voice to chiandale chinkruko. Brian McKnight.